Greetings and welcome to the website of the Maestro Musicians Academy. My name is Daniel Broniatowski and I am the Artistic Director and founder of our music school. Based in Lexington, Massachusetts, we are Greater Boston's premier choice for music lessons, serving children, parents, and adults of all ages.
If you're learning a really difficult piece and it can be challenging and frustrating when you're learning it, but at a certain point, there's this moment of, wow, I can play this really difficult piece and I can make this beautiful music, and it's really satisfying and rewarding.
Music is an extremely powerful language. The wonderful and amazing thing about it is that it allows us to communicate important thoughts, feelings, and ideas on a very elemental level when words simply fail. There are innumerable benefits to music lessons. These benefits transcend the classroom and impact us in both subtle and obvious ways in our day-to-day lives. For instance, music lessons give us an enhanced ability to focus, to concentrate, and to see a project from start to finish. When learning a piece of music, it is like putting together the pieces of a puzzle, note by note, to form a completed whole, which you will then be able to perform for your family, your friends, or an audience.
Sure, that's why we practice things at a slower tempo, and eventually it becomes, muscle memory, and you can do things quicker.
So like this.
Maestro Musicians faculty members are top professionals in their fields, with degrees from some of the finest conservatories and university music programs in the world. 2 times per year, Maestro Musicians Academy students are given the opportunity to perform on the big stage in front of an audience of supportive and nurturing family, friends, and teachers. We find that the students who participate come away with a positive experience. It is not only because of the fact that they have developed their talent and worked so hard for it, but it is also because the mere experience of participating in the recital increases their self-confidence, develops a stronger character, and perhaps most important, teaches the idea that our students can achieve anything that they put their hearts and their minds to.
Well, since he's learned violin, he's learned a new skill and he's able to demonstrate it to people, and people enjoy it and they applaud, and he feels good about that.
We like the concerts that Maestro Musicians has. It's fun to hear the other children who are taking lessons play as well and see their progress over the years. And it's a good milestone for my daughter to have a concert to work towards.
Why don't you come and join us at the Maestro Musicians Academy, where our expert teachers excel at developing the talent of every unique individual student of all ages. We can't wait to see you, and feel free to contact us at any of the means listed on the screen.